Title: Introduction to C Programming. Language Slide 1. 1. Title. Slide Title: Introduction to C Programming Language. Subtitle: The Foundation of Modern Programming. Your name. Visva Code. Slide 2. What is C? C is a general-purpose programming language developed in the early 1970s. Created by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs, known for its efficiency and control over system resources, has influenced many other programming languages like C++, Java, and Python. Slide 3. History of C. It originated from an earlier language called B, which Ken Thompson developed. C was created to improve B and make it more powerful and flexible. First appeared in 1972. The language became popular for system and application software development. Slide 4. Why use C? Performance. C provides low-level access to memory and system resources, making it fast and efficient. Portability. C programs can run on different types of hardware with minimal modifications. Versatility. Suitable for writing operating systems, compilers, games, and more. Simplicity. While powerful, C has a relatively small and straightforward syntax. Slide 5. Key features of C procedural language. Focuses on functions and procedures to perform tasks. Rich library. Extensive library functions to handle common tasks. Low-level access. Direct access to memory and hardware. Modularity. Supports modular programming with functions and files. Slide 6. The structure of a C program. Header files include necessary libraries. Main function, the entry point of the program. Functions, blocks of code that perform specific tasks. Example: include int main, print hello world, n, return 0. Slide 7. Applications of operating systems. Unix, Linux, and Windows have components written in C embedded systems, used in microcontrollers and real-time systems. Game development. Early games like Doom were written in C compilers. Many compilers for other languages are written in C. Slide 8. Why learn C? Foundation. Understanding C gives a strong foundation for learning other languages. Career opportunities. Many software engineering roles require knowledge of C. Problem solving. Enhances logical thinking and problem-solving skills. Slide 9. Conclusion: C is a powerful and versatile language with a rich history. Learning C opens up numerous opportunities in various fields of software development. It's the foundation of many modern programming languages and systems.